Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Canva and start with a clear goal, a responsive-looking website prototype, not a deployed site. First, pick a template or set custom 1440 x 1024 dimensions so your layout reads like a desktop page. Upload your logo, color hex codes, and brand fonts. This makes components consistent. Once done, sketch page structure. Header, hero, body sections, footer. Make sure to design a single conversion page early so you can test layout and hierarchy before scaling to other pages. You now construct the middle of your site, consistent components and clear hierarchy. Start with a grid and frames to snap sections into place. This keeps spacing predictable. Then build reusable elements, navbar, CTA button, testimonial card that you can duplicate. This saves time and ensures consistency. Use text scales for H1, H2, and body so readers scan easily. Once components exist, assemble pages by swapping copy and images, and make sure to test contrast and spacing as you go. Finish by previewing and exporting a prototype link or assets for development. You should test internal links, simple hover or entrance animations, and the flow between pages so stakeholders can click through. Export high-resolution hero images at 72-150 dpi and provide a PDF or image set for developers. If something goes wrong, first inspect grouped elements and frame constraints, then revert the component copy or replace oversized images. Make sure to leave clear notes about spacing and responsive intent for handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.